Well, I told you I'd give you some shots. So this is what we got. This is what we're looking at. Let me see if I can get this a little bit brighter here. Not that way. There we go. That's a little bit brighter. So what we got is we have a Champion furnace. And if I recall correctly, it's a TM9. TM9E, yep. Well, it was underwater. Well, you can see the water markers right here. Took out this, the ECM motor, this transformer here, that transformer there. Why it has two transformers? Oh, I know why it has two transformers. One transformer is powering the DC ECM motor that will be destroyed because it was underwater. What happened here was the customer, this is their second home, their getaway house. Nobody was up for a while. The front porch collapsed that they had added onto. The sump pump then quit running at some point in the winter. And this filled up with water. Well, that's our water height there. So we had quite a bit of water. Even the pressure switch on the well tank was underwater, but it seems to be working fine now. But to redo this, I'm thinking we're going to put a new wire harness on, because that harness is all soaked. So we'll check on that. Check on a wire harness for that, and the board, both those transformers down there. I think the motor, the vent motor, the exhaust vent motor should be fine. And everything there should work fine. But this is not going to be this isn't going to be a cheapie. So we'll have to do some digging and find out what the costs are going to be for that, and let them know. Not pretty, that is for sure. The board, two transformers. Probably, I'm just going to have to see if we can get a wiring harness. Da, da, da. Just kind of looking over, see if there's any information on that, both of those transformers. One is definitely 24 volt. Yeah, definitely not a good one. We have to water over the top of the water heater. Not being on it might be saved, but other than that, we're not looking at very good information yet. I'm gonna make some phone calls, find out what we can find out. I'll talk to you later.